Congratulations on getting your new Godspeed MAXX Coilovers. Today we have a set of coilovers for the Porsche 911, and we're gonna quickly go through how we can adjust the preload, camber, and the ride height. Some coilovers come with camber plate, allowing you to adjust camber. Make sure you install the camber plates horizontal to the car. Let's say this is the driver's side front coilover. If you want positive camber, you would push the coilover to the right, and vice versa. Chances are you're gonna get an alignment after you install it, so just match both sides. This particular coilover comes with a top hat spacer. If you want the ride height to go even lower, you can remove this. Before installing the coilover onto your car, you should make sure that the coilover preload is correctly set. The spring is not supposed to dangle in the coilover like that. To begin, you're gonna find out how long the springs are. You can either measure it with a ruler or go on Godspeed's website and find out how long they are. Front springs are 18 centimeters, so which means we need to adjust it to 17. To increase the preload and compress the springs, simply tighten the lower spring seat. The spring now has 1 centimeter of preload in it. Once you're done, lock the spring seat in place with the Allen head screw. Some coilovers come with a second lock ring instead of an Allen head screw. To tighten them after you have set the spring preload, grab the adjustment wrenches and tighten them like so. Only the lower lock ring should be moving. To adjust the ride height, you would adjust this cup up and down. Once you find the setting you like, you will lock this down. When this is installed to the car, you probably cannot turn this cup because this is held on by the suspension. You will actually turn the middle part of this. So say you want this taller, higher, you would turn the bottom color clockwise. If you want it lower, you would turn the upper color counterclockwise. On these Porsches, it's kind of different. Shock tube actually slides into the knuckle or whatever you call it, and then it will be resting on here. So to adjust the ride height, you will actually adjust this cup here. Say you want it lower, you just keep turning up. That. Once you find the ride height you like, you're gonna lock this down, like so. Keep in mind that ride height adjustment is not 1-to-1, meaning that if you lower the coilover by 1 centimeter and the motion ratio of your car is 0.9-to-1, the ride height would only drop 0.9 centimeters. The motion ratio of a suspension can vary from car to car. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or hit us up at e-autosports.com. We will be more than happy to help you out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.